How much do you know about the Lipo Laser? Today, I would like to introduce to you a new 6D Lipo Laser device of MyChui. The 6D Laser Lipolysis uses 6 different wavelengths of lasers. Each wavelength can accurately locate and dissolve according to the depth of the fat layer, make fat. The fat cells dissolve into small oil droplets and are excreted from the body and achieve the effect of fat loss. For the old designs in the market, Lipo lasers only had wavelengths of 635 nanometers and 650 nanometers. In comparison, the advantages of 6D lasers are even more obvious. 6D laser is suitable for obese people to improve sagging arms, big belly, sagging back, sagging buttocks, and localized fat accumulation. MyChui's new 6D laser, 10.1 inches, clear touchscreen, fast and smooth to use. Not only has the wavelength been upgraded, but it has also been upgraded to 17 PCS lights, 160 UW strong energy, and an all-round shaping effect. If you also need a laser light panel machine, MyChui 6D Laser is your first choice.